Welcome to my channel. I'm Christina from stylishnitting.com, and in today's video I want to show you how to do a simple crochet bag strap. I'm making this bag and I want to make a Romanian cord strap. If you are interested how to make the bag, I will leave the link in the description and in the suggestions, so you are free to visit, and maybe you also will come up with such a nice bag. So for the strap, I make from the same paper yarn. So we start with the simple slip knot, and now we will have to chain 2. Then it will be the series of the single crochet, but in specific place where you will be putting your crochet hook. The first step, we put the crochet hook in the first chain we made, yarn over, pull, yarn over, and do 1 single crochet. Now we will need always to turn it clockwise, and in the beginning you will see here, you see this 1 bar, so we'll have to put a crochet hook into this crossbar, yarn over again, and now we have our single crochet done. Now again we turn our cord clockwise, and from now on you will be able to see that there will be 2 bars like this on the side. I will show you closely. And now you will be working into those both loops, a single crochet. And basically that's it. Now you turn again clockwise, you find those 2 bars. They will be very easy to find. Yarn over and single crochet. At the beginning you will not be able to see exactly how it will look, but just continue. After 5-10 centimeters you will end up with the nice cord. And again, turn counterclockwise or clockwise and make a single crochet. You spend some, and after that, this is how the cord looks when it's done. I needed around 2 meters of the cord for my bag strap, so now it's ready, and it looks pretty. And the thing is, it's not stretchy, so for the bag strap it is perfect solution. Thank you for watching this video. Please press like button and subscribe to my channel not to miss any new videos. In this way I know that I will have to post maybe more videos about different topics. But until then, I just say goodbye, and I see you in my next videos.